Good morning, my dear friends and my dear students, as well as the JAB aspirants. Today, we are going to talk about interest rate calculations and time value money. Okay, right. So, before we start discussing about the application of time value money, first of all, we need to understand the basic concept of cash flow. There are two type of cash flow which is there. One is a single cash flow, another one is a multiple cash flow. Single cash flow is nothing but a cash flow which is in one time, and it is not going to happen sequentially. It is a one-time investment. For example, fixed deposit is a single-time cash flow. Okay, and multiple cash flow is nothing but a cash flow which is going to happen or is happening over the period of time on a definite interval. For example, EMI, equated monthly installment, is a multiple cash flow, or your recurring deposit is a multiple cash flow. The multiple cash flow or a single cash flow, when I say, it may be a cash inflow or it may be a cash outflow, irrespective of that. Okay, so first of all, what we need to understand, it is a single cash flow or multiple cash flow. We need to see that. Then we can able to understand how are we going to calculate future value and the present value. Okay, first we will understand the single cash flow future value, single cash flow present value. For example, I'm investing a lakh of rupees today. How much is going to mature after 3 years, after 5 years? It is called future value. Somebody asked me, sir, I like to have 5 lakhs after 5 years. How much I need to invest today? That is called present value. Please understand, the present value means the value of investment as on today. Future value means the value which is going to mature after some years, 5 years, 3 years, 2 years. That is called future value. Okay, irrespective of the single cash flow or multiple cash flow, this future value and present value is going to be there. For example, in a multiple cash flow, you do RD. RD is nothing but you are investing every month or every year, where the investment which is happening, and after certain period it will get matured, and you will get back your money, right? That is called RD, right? But that is called multiple cash flow. We call it as a future value annuity. What is future value annuity? Future value annuity is nothing but a series of investment you made or received over the period of time. That is called uh, future value annuity. Suppose I say I am making a payment or I am receiving a payment over the period of time. For example, I'm going to have a pension. I'm going to have a receive the pension from tomorrow onwards for next 10 years. What is the value of this pension today? That is called present value. Or I'm going to make a payment to a banker for a loan which I have taken it for a home loan, which I am going to make a EMI on month after month. So I like to calculate what is the value of EMI today. That is called present value annuity. Right? I will repeat again. There are two type of cash flow. One is single cash flow. Another one is a multiple cash flow. Single cash flow example is FD. Multiple cash flow, you have a annuities. It is called annuity and like a pension or EMI for a simple understanding. Again, I have also talked about future value and present value. Future value means how much I am going to receive after some years. It is called future value. And present value means what is the value of investment today. That is called present value. Let's go little deep dive into annuity. Annuity, there are two type of annuity. One is ordinary annuity. Another one is annuity due. What is ordinary annuity? Series of payment received or paid at the end of the period. That is called ordinary annuity. For example, you receive the pension end of the month. You receive the salary end of the month. You pay EMI end of the month. These are all called ordinary annuity. There are things which you are making a payment or receiving a payment on beginning of the year or beginning of the month. It is called annuity due. For example, life insurance premium or car insurance premium, you will pay beginning of the year or before the period starts. You cannot make the payment after the end of the period or after end of the year. So those kind of a payment or those kind of a receipt It's called annuity due. So I will repeat. Annuity, we have a two type of annuity. One is ordinary annuity, another one is annuity due. Ordinary annuity is nothing but a annuity or a payment which is received or paid at the end of the period is called ordinary annuity. Or annuity due means a payment received or paid at the beginning of the period is called annuity due. Whether ordinary annuity or annuity due, both will have future value and present value. Okay. So those who are studying this time value money or interest rate calculation, 4 points to remember. One is whether it is a single cash flow or multiple cash flow. Second point is you need to understand whether it is a future value calculation or present value calculation. Third point, you need to remember if it is an annuity, it is a present value annuity, sorry, ordinary annuity or annuity due. You need to remember that. The fourth point is what type of formulas you need to apply that. All right. So without having any confusion, you need to clearly apply the formula and get it done. Right. So this time value money is widely, used across most of the, financial planning applications, like EMI. You have a present value ordinary annuity is being used. You have a sinking fund, future value ordinary annuity is used, right? Pension calculation, present value ordinary annuity is used, right? So there is a wide range of application which is been there for this time value money calculations, right? So simply understand that what is meant by future value, what is meant by present value. You need to also understand what is meant by annuity. Then you need to understand ordinary annuity and the annuity due. These are all the basic concepts one should know about the time value of money. Thank you so much. We will catch you up again on the next video.